Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bailey, and today I'm back again with another video. Today's video is a little bit different, but it's something that you guys have been asking for literally so long. My makeup collection. Yes guys, I'm finally here and I'm sitting down in front of my vanity and I'm doing a makeup collection for you guys. I recently got a new vanity. Actually, I recently made a new vanity. I'll get into that in a second. And that's where I store my makeup now. I know you guys don't really care, but here's a little backstory just to kind of inform you about my makeup. My parents are divorced, therefore I have makeup at both of my houses. At my mom's house, I have like my essentials, like my everyday stuff that I need, just the basics, like 1 or 2, 3 of each thing. And here at my dad's house is where I have my true collection. Here I have makeup that's not just everyday, but also stuff for glam looks, fun looks, colorful looks, stuff like that. I have a lot of like the same products. So at my mom's house, I only have probably like 4 or 5 concealers. Here I probably have like 15. Today I'm just going to be doing a makeup collection of what is here at my dad's house, because if I did like both of them, like if I switched this video halfway through and took you over to my mom's house, I feel like the video would just be way too long. So let me know down below if you want a part 2 of my makeup collection over at my mom's house. Okay, sorry for that kind of long intro. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let's get started. Alright you guys, so yes, this is my vanity. Like I said a few minutes ago, I actually made my vanity in a way. These 2 drawers you see right here are not Alex drawers from IKEA. They're actually like $50 drawers from Michael's. So it's a lot cheaper. They don't look as nice, they don't function as nice, they aren't as nice of quality, but they get the job done. Basically, I bought 2 of them, put them together, and then I got this, like the board that's actually like the desk part, that white thing. That white wood was from Lowe's, I believe. I put it together, and then I bought the mirror and the lights, both from Michael's as well. This is a broken chair. There's literally like nails sticking out of it, so don't mind this. I'm getting a new one, but it's taking me a while, so we'll just kick that aside for now. On the left side over here, I have my smaller face brushes. I'm not going to go into too much detail just because I don't want this to take forever. And this thing is from Michael's, and then I have this little Flawless brush holder with all my eyeshadow brushes in it, and I'm not sure where this is from. My mom got it. Pretty sure it's from Home Goods. I have this little tray right here which contains some of my rings and like a necklace and a bobby pin. This little tray is the thing that comes under this pot. And then I have this candle, which smells really good. And then I have another little dish with some earrings in it. And next to that, I have another pot, which is for my bigger face brushes. Yeah. And then I have this little mirror that I got from Amazon that like lights up. So, super fun. We're going to start with the left side drawers because I don't like them as much. In the first drawer on the left side, I have skincare stuff. So that's fun. Over here, I have primers and then setting sprays and then like actual skincare. This Arbonne one, Maybelline Master Prime, Urban Decay Primer Potion Eyeshadow Primer, Too Faced Primed and Peachy, Smashbox Photo Finish, Professional. My favorite one at the moment is this Lancome Le Base Pro primer. 2 of these mini like milk cooling water stick things, and I love putting these under my eyes before I do my makeup. In the middle I have setting sprays and like facial sprays and stuff like that. An e.l.f. setting spray. We've got Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1, Smashbox primer water, Urban Decay De-Slick, Mario Badescu, Mario Badescu cucumber spray, 2 Glam Glow face masks, some like sample facial oils, and then this Wet n Wild setting spray. Everyday moisturizer, which is the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Moisturizer. I've got Mario Badescu drying lotion. I've got this Kiva acne moisturizer, and then I've just got some other like acne things back here. In the second drawer, I have liquid face products. This has concealers, foundations, stuff like that. I've got Maybelline, Wet n Wild, Neutrogena, Maybelline. This is the MAC concealer. It's the Studio Sculpt one. It should be in my concealer thing, but I just like how it looks down here. I have a Real Technique sponge, and then I have my Fenty Beauty foundation. Right here is foundations and like BB creams that are like tubed. So I've got like my It CC cream. I've got L'Oreal Infallible, and these instant age rewind sticks. I don't even know what's in here. Oh, just more like face makeup. In here is all my concealers. I've got like high-end and then drugstore. So I've got like Tarte Shape Tape, NARS Creamy Radiant, Naked Skin, Smashbox, Milk Flex Concealer, some Fit Me concealers, Revlon Color Stay, NYX HD, Master Conceal, love these. Back here I have stuff that like just doesn't match my skin tone or that I just don't really use. In the next drawer I have eyebrows, mascara, stuff like that. I have some eyebrow powders and stuff. So I've got this Ardell thing, Ulta powder, and then I have my everyday Anastasia Brow Wiz. Actually, not every day. I don't know why I said that. I rarely do my eyebrows. I've got some drugstore mascaras that I don't really reach for that often. I have some of my favorites in this. I have Too Faced Better Than Sex, Tarte Lights Camera Splashes, Tarte Gifted, and then a few other ones. Right here is eyelash curlers, tweezers, spoolies, stuff like that. And then I have eyebrow and eyeliner products. So we've got Gimme Brow by Benefit, Goof Proof by Benefit, some other eyebrow and eyeliner products. I don't want to go through all of these because that's annoying. But yeah, fun. The next drawer is probably like one of my least favorites. It's my lip drawer. I'm not into lips, so I don't really put this drawer to use. Right here I have my lipsticks. So we've got like some liquid lips. The only ones that I really use are the Stila Stay All Day, this Bare Minerals liquid lip, and then the Too Faced melted latex one. I just have a bunch of lipsticks in here. Not really a bunch, but a few. Estee Lauder, Mirabella, Clinique, Baby Lips, lip care products over here, as well as in here with like lip glosses. This last drawer I'm a little bit ashamed of. It's kind of just like random crap. In the first drawer over here, I have my everyday products and then like setting powders. So by everyday products, I mean literally this little thing. This just makes it easy so I don't have to dig through all my drawers when I wake up late and have to do my makeup really fast. So there's like a beauty blender and then like this lip balm, Urban Decay lash primer, L'Oreal Paradise mascara, Essence mascara, Tarte Shape Tape, and then this Baby Lips lip balm. And then like I said, I have setting powders. So we've got the regular size Laura Mercier, the mini Laura Mercier, Coty Airspun powder, Fit Me Translucent, Too Faced powder foundation, some other powder foundations. I really like the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. Physicians Formula, you know, stuff like that. In the second drawer, I have powders and stuff, and I need to change the camera angle because this looks tragic. Blushes, bronzers, and highlighters. Two NARS bronzers over Two NARS bronzers, Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, Hoola Bronzer, another Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, this NARS Blush and Bronzer duo, two of these Wet n Wild Color Con things, and then I have like another Wet n Wild like contour and highlight thing. Too Faced highlight. I have not one, not two, but 3 Becca bronzers here. I also have like 2 at my mom's. I have this Tarte highlighter, and then I have this Anastasia like I have this Anastasia blush and bronzer like trio. And then in here is highlighters and bronzers that I don't reach for that much. I've got like 2 of these Morphe ones, Natasha Denona. And then in here I have blushes, but the only one I'm really gonna share with you guys is my favorite and the one that I actually use. It's the Tarte Amazonian Clay in the color Do Not Disturb. Literally the only one that I use. We have eyeshadow palettes and some face palettes, I guess. The first palette is this Essence one, and it's so pretty. It reminds me of fall. Well, it is a fall palette, so, you know, it says spice up your life. Got the Anastasia Sugar Glow. I have this Natasha Denona, like 5-color eyeshadow palette. Tartelette in the Bloom by Tarte. Too Faced Natural Mattes. 3, like, mini palettes. I have this Smashbox, this one, I don't know, like, it's called Cover Shot. It's so pretty. I have this Violet Voss one, and this one is also gorgeous. Pro to Go palette, and I think this is, like, perfect for travels. We've got Anastasia Subculture, which is one of my favorites, even though it gets so much hate from like the beauty community. Urban Decay Naked 2. We've got Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. We have the Maybelline Lemonade Craze, and then this Laura Geller Iconic New York Collection palette, which is one of my favorites. Literally, look at this. Tell me this is not the most beautiful palette you've ever seen. In the next drawer, I have more eyeshadow palettes and stuff that, I don't know, we'll just see. In this little thing right here, I have like duos and trios and just like little like mini eyeshadow palettes. I have some single shadows over here. I have this one by Nomad, which I got in my Ipsy. So I have all the pigments, some L'Oreal and Pigments, as well as a single shadow, a Tokyo's eye tattoo thing. Those pigments, 2 MAC singles. I have this smoky gray one in this gold shade, and I just have this gold Urban Decay shadow. 3 of these e.l.f. eyeshadow palettes. I got them in a set. And then I have some eyeshadow palettes and like contour palettes back here that I like, I just don't really use. Colorful palettes like this one that don't really go with like my everyday palette, so I keep them in a separate drawer to do like fun looks with. I just have more storage. I have another candle, and then I have a lot of packaging in here. So these are all empty packages. I just like to keep packages for some reason, especially when they're super pretty like this. Like, who's gonna throw this out? Okay, that's it. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you want to see part 2 of this video with my makeup over at my mom's house, please leave me a comment telling me that you want to see that. I'm sorry that this video might have seemed rushed or unorganized. It's because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Again, I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. You guys asked, so I am delivering. You wanted a makeup collection, I'm giving it to you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!